This video will explain how to use Capture Cloud, a subscription-based service for storing, organizing, and sharing radon data files from the Durridge RAD7 radon detector. Unlike other cloud storage services, Capture Cloud has been developed specifically for handling RAD7 data. Capture Cloud is fully integrated into Durridge's Capture software, which is available for Windows and macOS computers. When signed into Capture Cloud, RAD7 data can be saved to the cloud and then easily retrieved, modified, and shared. Part 1. Overview. Capture Cloud's data browser lets you issue search queries to find data from a particular organization, RAD7 device, and date range, plus additional criteria including file name and description. RAD7 data can be assigned custom searchable tags to associate it with a particular project, job site, technician, or other attributes of your choosing. When a RAD7 data file is selected in the list of search results, it can be viewed in detail using Capture's graph window. Here's how RAD7 data works in Capture Cloud. An organization has a subscription to Capture Cloud. One or more users belong to the organization, and one or more RAD7 devices belong to the organization. When a user saves data from one of the RAD7s to Capture Cloud, the data becomes available to all the users in the organization. Additionally, a user can share a data file with a different user from another organization. Part 2. Subscribing. To order a Capture Cloud subscription, visit the Capture Cloud page on the Durridge website and choose a pricing plan, and click Start Free Trial. Next, enter the number of RAD7s you'd like to connect to Capture Cloud and click Add to Cart. Or if you prefer, submit a purchase order to Durridge by emailing sales@durridge.com. You won't have to submit payment information right away because there's a free 60-day trial period. After completing your order, you'll receive a confirmation email containing a link to an account registration form. Use the registration form to submit details about your organization, the Durridge RAD7 devices you wish to connect to Capture Cloud, and the names and email addresses of the users you wish to add to the account. Add as many users as you'd like. There's no additional charge for each user. After you complete the registration form, Durridge will process your submission, and you'll receive an email containing your Capture Cloud sign-in credentials, plus the credentials for any other users in your organization. You can update your payment or contact information at any time by visiting Durridge.com and choosing My Account from the Buy menu. Here, you'll also be able to manage your basic account information. If you wish to add or remove users or RAD7 devices from your account, complete the Update Account Settings form, which is found on the Capture Cloud webpage. Part 3. Signing in. To sign into your Capture Cloud account, launch the Capture application, click the Capture Cloud toolbar button, and enter your email address and password. Check the Remember Sign-in Credentials checkbox and the Sign in automatically at launch checkbox to save time. To sign out of Capture Cloud, just quit the Capture application or click the Sign Out button at the bottom left corner of the Capture Cloud browser. If you forget your Capture Cloud password or wish to change it, click the Reset Password link under the Sign In button. Enter your email address and a password reset code will be emailed to you. If you don't see the email, check your junk folder. Enter the code in Capture and then choose a new password and verify it. Click Finish and you'll be able to sign into Capture Cloud using your new password. Once you've signed in, the Capture Cloud browser will appear, allowing you to locate files that have been uploaded from your organization's RAD7s. We'll explore the Capture Cloud browser in depth a bit later. Part 4. Saving data. Data can be saved to Capture Cloud directly from a RAD7, or from a graph window, or the Capture chart recorder. Data can also be saved to the cloud by dragging a RAD7 data file into the file list in the Capture Cloud browser. We'll show an example of each. When you use Capture to download data from a RAD7, it can be saved to your computer and/or to your Capture Cloud account. To save the data to Capture Cloud, first go to the Download RAD7 Data panel. If you haven't already signed into Capture Cloud, click the Sign In button and enter your email address and password. Next, click the Save Data to Capture Cloud checkbox. Then, click the Begin Download button. Before the download starts, you'll be prompted to provide a name, description, and data tags to assign to the file you're downloading from the RAD7. We'll discuss data tags a bit later in this video. For now, know that it's helpful to choose unique and memorable attributes in order to be able to easily locate the data at a later time with the search controls in the Capture Cloud browser. Once the data file has been downloaded from the RAD7, it will be saved to Capture Cloud and a notification will appear confirming that the operation was successful. RAD7 data from a Capture Graph window or the chart recorder can also be saved to your Capture Cloud account. First, open a RAD7 data file in a graph window, or select a RAD7 and view its chart recorder panel. Then, from the File menu, choose Save to Capture Cloud. Confirm the RAD7 data file name, description, and data tags, and click Continue. If the RAD7 data already exists in Capture Cloud, a notification will appear, prompting you to either replace the existing data or cancel the operation. Once the item has been saved, you'll have the option to view it in the Capture Cloud browser. It's also possible to save a RAD7 data file to Capture Cloud by dragging it from a folder on your desktop and dropping it into the search results list in the Capture Cloud browser. Here too, you'll be asked to specify a name, description, and data tags. Once the file has been saved to Capture Cloud, it will be added to the list of search results. From there, you can view its details and open it in a graph window. When the chart recorder is monitoring the status of a RAD7 in real time, Capture can be configured to continuously log the RAD7 data to a file on disk or to Capture Cloud. To do this, click the Settings button in the chart recorder, and then click the Log RAD7 Data to Capture Cloud checkbox. Assign a name, description, and data tags, and click Start Logging. Your data will be logged to Capture Cloud until you quit Capture or until you return to the Settings window and click the Stop Logging button. Part 5. Browsing Data. The Capture Cloud browser provides access to all of the RAD7 data files that you and your colleagues have saved to your organization's Capture Cloud account. It also provides access to any RAD7 data files that have been specifically shared with you. Whenever you're signed into Capture Cloud, the browser will be accessible via the toolbar in Capture's main window. The browser consists of 4 quadrants: File Search Criteria, Search Results, Selected File Information, and a graph preview showing the content of the selected file. Buttons at the bottom of the window are used for sharing the selected data file with other users, saving the selected file to disk, and opening the file in a new graph window. The top left quadrant of the browser panel contains controls for searching for Capture Cloud data. These controls can be used to specify a variety of search parameters, including owner, organization, device, date range, name, description, and data tags. You can also choose a custom search preset. If no search criteria are specified, the results list box will contain every data file from the devices belonging to your organization. This list can grow quite long, and it may occupy multiple pages. Each page of results may contain between 25 and 200 items, but the list can be quickly narrowed down by specifying specific search parameters. Assigning data tags to files can make them easier to find. One or more data tags may be included as search parameters using the blue plus button. To remove a data tag from a search query, click its X button. Click the orange switch to determine whether the results must contain all of the specified data tags or any of the specified data tags. Search results appear in the lower left quadrant of the Capture Cloud browser. They can be sorted by name, description, organization, device, or date, either in ascending or descending order, by clicking the desired column heading at the top of the search results list. When you select a file in the list of search results, information about the selected item appears in the right half of the window, along with a graph preview. Double-click an item in the results list box, or click the Open in Graph Window button to see the data in a full-sized graph window. Click the Save RAD7 Data File button to save a copy of the file to your computer. Specific combinations of search parameters can be saved as search presets for later reuse. To create a search preset, first enter the desired criteria in the Capture Cloud browser. This may include an owner, organization, device, date range, name, description, and/or specific data tags. Next, go to the Search Preset pop-up menu near the top left corner of the Capture Cloud browser and choose Add Search Preset. You'll be prompted to enter a name for the new search preset. After clicking OK, the new preset will be included in the Search Preset pop-up menu. This new search preset will remain available unless or until you delete it. To rename or delete a search preset, choose Manage Search Presets from the pop-up menu. The Manage Search Presets window will appear. Select a search preset from the list at the left side of the window to view the specific search criteria contained in the preset, and enter a new name or click the Delete Search Preset button as desired. When finished, click OK to return to the Capture Cloud browser. The Search Presets menu will be updated based on the changes you've made. Once you've created one or more search presets, you can apply a preset to a search query simply by selecting it from the Search Preset menu. Part 6. Editing File Attributes. The selected file's name, description, and data tags can all be modified by clicking the blue Edit buttons on the right edge of the Capture Cloud browser panel. When finished editing a name or description, press the Enter key, or click the checkmark button to the right of the text field. To cancel any changes, click the X button. When data tags are being edited, they will appear in purple. To add a data tag to a file, click the plus button and choose a tag from the pop-up menu, or choose the Other command at the top of the menu to create a new tag. To remove a data tag, click its X icon. Once tags have been assigned, they can be used as search parameters to more easily find the RAD7 data file in the future. Part 7. Sharing Data. In Capture Cloud, a RAD7 data file will be accessible to the user who uploaded the data, and to any other members of the organization that owns the RAD7 device that produced the data. But data can also be made available to Capture Cloud users from outside that organization. To share a data file with an outside user, select the file in the Capture Cloud browser and click the Share Data File button at the bottom of the window. The Share Data File window will appear. This window lists all the users who have access to the file, and by default it will include everyone who belongs to your organization. To give access to a user from another organization, enter their email address in the Add User field at the top of the Share Data File window, and click Add User. Their name and email address will appear in the Current Users list. Be aware that you can only share data files with users who have Capture Cloud accounts. To revoke a user's ability to access the file, select a user in the list and click the Remove Selected User button. When finished, click the Done button. Once a user has been given access to a shared data file, they'll be able to see it in their Capture Cloud browser by changing the Owner menu selection from Files from My Organization to Files Shared with Me. The user will be able to view the file in a graph window, but they won't be permitted to save any changes to the file back to Capture Cloud. Part 8. Additional Resources. Now you're ready to start using Capture Cloud. Here's a list of useful links that will help you get started with Capture Cloud and discover more Durridge products. Thanks for watching.